Wow, so good. The Nutella plant-based tastes exactly like normal Nutella. You really can't taste the difference. Is there something better than a warm cup of coffee in the morning? I don't think so. For lunch, I am going to make a kebab, a vegan kebab, a wrap. So, not to say that kebab is a junk food, it's not really the healthy meal you would pick if you want it to be healthy, right? So I am going to turn traditional kebab into a vegan, delicious recipe. Let's go! For the kebab, I bought this plant-based, this is how it looks. Processed meat, right? Not the healthiest vegan option, but at the end of the day, we are turning junk food into vegan option, and I never said they were going to be 100% healthy, so don't come at me, don't get angry. Let's go and cook this. Not bad, not bad. Okay, as a snack this afternoon I want to bake some muffins. The other day I was at McDonald's and I saw these very good looking blueberry muffins. The only problem is I don't have blueberries here, but I do have blueberry yogurt, so I'm going to use that instead while I enjoy my cup of tea in this cute pumpkin cup. Also, while I will prepare my afternoon tea, I will bake some biscuits for my dog. So I will also show you how I cook little snacks for him. While the muffins are cooking, I'm going to make the biscuits for my dog. So this is a very simple recipe, and you can change the fruit and the topping with whatever you have in your house. Today I am going to use this banana that otherwise is going to end up in the bin. And I'm just going to mash it in the bowl. Now I'm going to add 1 egg. So dogs don't really digest normal flour well, so I always use rice flour or oat flours. In this case, oat flours for the biscuits is better. I don't really know the right amount. I'm just going to show you the consistency. Do we want to talk about how cute this is? Oh wow, these are for Cookie and these are for me. So let's try the muffin and then we will give a piece of biscuits to Cookie. Oh wow, how soft it is. Wow, so good. Can I say penny 1, McDonald's 0? This wins, 100%. As we were having our tea, Amazon arrived with some new things that I will use later on today for dinner, and I want to unbox my order with you. So let's start with the first box. Here it is my hair gummy, the vitamins I take for my hair. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, here we have our gochujang. It's a Korean spicy paste that I love, and I'm going to use this one for dinner. Mirin to cook is type of sake. More vitamins, vitamin C. If you watched my previous vlogs, you know I take it. Last but not least, miso paste. I won't use it tonight, but I will definitely use it in future vlogs. And this is everything. Now I am going to take my dog out, Cookie, for a walk, and I'm going to do some work and then ready to make dinner. I just came back from a run and I'm ready to make dinner. For dinner, I want to recreate. Why is the camera so wonky? For dinner, I want to recreate a spicy kind of chicken nuggets. Now, before some of you come at me, I'm not saying I will. Obviously, I can't have the chicken wings version unless I want to buy more processed meat. I am going to make it with tofu, so it's just going to be something very similar. I am very hungry, so let's go and cook. Okay, let's try. Here is the plate. So juicy. Oh wow. This is so good.